One beautiful day in Bamboo Forest, Pip the panda was exploring when something wonderful caught his eye. He found a flower that smelled extra nice. He couldn't resist. He had to smell it. He sniffed it really hard. Achoo! His sneeze was so big that it launched him into the air and landed softly in a pile of bamboo leaves. Pip popped up and giggled. Best sneeze ever!